Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Uthando Nestembu, the Mayeni edition. Can we speak about Umayeni and how truthful Mayeni is in her advice? How truthful Mayeni is in giving advice when it comes to her husband? How truthful Mayeni is nje as a human being, right? So there's a scene that we saw where Umayeni went out with Utirelo, right? And in that scene, Utirelo had come with Usinga, and Mayeni was so happy, and he said the kids are also happy because they are reminded of the season where Usinga was always with them. Now, Mina, from the whole thing, from the whole episode, when it comes to the children issue, what I realize is that Umhlopekazi played a very huge role in Mayeni's life. Yes, ugel umthathile umntwanakhe and stuff, but still udlale a very big role, and uMayeni feels ukuthi there's that space esishodayo esakamhlopekazi, you know. So with that said, uTirelo tried to cover that part by Usinga being there. Right? So the kids were happy playing with Usinga Bako, and the adults being Utirelo and her mother-in-law stayed to speak to have a conversation about who. The conversation seemed like it was generic and they did not struggle, meaning ukuthi abantu abajwayelene laba they did not just come and record that conversation based on their contractual obligation. So with that said, I really did enjoy the conversation and the advice given. Now the advice was, one, girl, jola ngoba angeke ngisathi ungasajoli nalo bhuti seniyajola vele, but ekujoleni kwenu enjoy your relationship as much as you can. Do not put yourself in a position where you are where you want the ring, bese you end up not being happy. So my advice as your mother-in-law, as umama kaMpumelelo, knowing ukuthi uMpumelelo ufana nje ncamashi nobaba wakhe, bengithi mina, enjoy yourself, have fun. Then when you have enjoyed yourself and had fun in this Jolo situationship, you would then think about marriage. And the reason why she was also advising that was because she could see ukuthi maybe it was a blunder ngoVuyokazi, because uVuyokazi was well invested in the relationship, and when Umpumelelo was supposed to do right by uVuyokazi and do all the things that he had initially promised, umuntu wajika njengotshwala esiswini. And because he decided ukujika kwenza kwanani i-relationship kamama akhe being uMayeni no Tirelo no Vuyokazi yabasawa. But we pray that things are getting better, because you all know that I love Uvuyokazi as well. I feel ukuthi Uvuyokazi saved that relationship, saved that man, but unfortunately the man was not in the same page as she was. So with that said, Umayeni became a mother to Utirelo, and she did not sugarcoat the truth, and she did not put her child in a good light. She did not say, hey, mina, my son will never, hey, mina, this, hey, mina, that. No, she was like, this is what you have put yourself into. This is the relationship that you're into. But mina, my advice ukuthi jolani, ni enjoy umjolo wenu to the fullest, because when time comes and there's no umjolo anymore, you will feel ukuthi there is something missing. And when that something missing comes, then you will start resenting this man ngokuthi akakunikanga isikhathi nan. But while things are still good, while Nisa enjoy, have as much fun as you possibly can. And I really appreciated that advice. But the question ukuthi uTirelo uyithathile na, right? Which also made me think ukuthi, okay, siyambona uMayeni time and again, simbonile noVuyokazi, manje siyambona nomtirara, right? Which is not a problem. My question is, does this then mean ukuthi uMayeni une relationship no Amahle, considering ukuthi Amahle is the legal wife? as far as we know, or as far as TV has presented us things, Amahle was lobolat first, right? Meaning Ugutu Amahle is the first wife, legally. So now with that said, I would wonder Uguti, how is their relationship? Who is taking care of Amahle's child? Because clearly it's not Umayeni. And over and above that, so I'm also interested in seeing that dynamic and the advice that Umayeni would give u-Amahle, considering ukuthi u-Amahle umakoti wakhe, right? Even though izinto eziningi zenziwa noMusa Mseleko, but it means ukuthi somewhere somehow there's an agreement or there's an understanding, because Umayeni is able to have a civil relationship with these girls, with these girlfriends, and it looks like Umayeni does not necessarily have a problem with Usbindi Ajole. The only problem is Usbindi getting married, because she believes Uguti Usbindi has the same traits as his father, meaning Uguti there are decisions that might not benefit the girls, that will only benefit Usbindi, because Usbindi walks like Ubabuake Umusa Mseleko. Now, the other thing that I appreciated Ngomayeni that showed Uguti Umayeni is a good mother is that when she was advising Utirelo, she was advising Utirelo based on her experience, and not necessarily as her protecting my son and saying, my son this, my son that, my son this, my son that. No, she was protecting Utirelo saying, this guy might hurt you in ways that you have never imagined. Yes, he is my son, but he is not akasimsulwa. He is not he's not blameless in this situation. And the way he's acting like his father, meaning Uguti, anytime, any season, things might turn around and they might not be in favor of you, Tirelo. So nje, that whole conversation, I really enjoyed it. It showed me Uguti Umayeni is a good person. She's kind-hearted. She understands another person's pain, and she would not want any other person to walk in in her shoes, more especially in areas where she made mistakes, and mistakes that she believes Uguti are mistakes that can be corrected. Now, will Tirelo take the advice and stay as Usbindi's girlfriend for the longest time, until such a time ubumnandi buphelile and she then becomes the wife? Or will the pressure of the other one, already being Umisisi Mseleko, be on her neck, and then she folds and decides to take the proposal seriously and say, yes, Amandwendwe can come? I don't know. What do you guys think? Please do not forget to leave your comment, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.